Setting up the collapsible wagon. Step one is release the Velcro on both sides toward the wheels. Step two is remove the floor that's in the side pocket and set it aside. The next step is to unzip on the back side and lift off the cover. The next step is to release this Velcro belt that keeps the wagon collapsed. Excellent. Next step is grab two corners of the wagon and just spread it apart. Now press down in the middle. Now take the base and unfold it into the bottom of the wagon. And press down nice in the middle. Very good. Next step is to pull the handle upward. And now to release it from its holding bracket, just pull it towards you. Now you're ready to go.